Hey guys, Oppo confirmed a month ago that its next flagship phone, the Oppo Find X2, will be launched in Q1 of 2020 and will pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC. It will be the successor to the Oppo Find X, which was a futuristic smartphone with an amazing design. Many of us are expecting the Oppo Find X2 to get showcased in the MWC 2020, which will be happening in February 2020. Recently, we got a leak suggesting incredible display in Oppo Find X2. The leak suggests that the Oppo Find X2 will have a 6.5 inches OLED display. So let's talk about this leak in detail. But before that, if you're watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to Oppo Find X2. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. As per the reports, the Oppo Find X2 will pack a 6.5-inch curved OLED display. The panel will have an 18 resolution of 1440 into 3168 pixels, which roughly translates to QHD+. And going with the current trend of high refresh rate panels on premium phones, the Find X2's curved OLED display is also set to offer a 120Hz refresh rate. So like every flagship smartphone in 2020, Oppo Find X2 will also have a smooth display experience. However, whether it will be a punch hole display or not, that's not clear yet. Will it have moving mechanical components? That too we don't know. But some rumors suggest that it might have an in-display camera, which is interesting. Since it will have an OLED display, the possibility of an in-display fingerprint sensor on the Oppo Find X2 also cannot be ruled out. Another interesting thing to note here is that the Oppo Find X2 will let users switch between Full HD Plus and QHD Plus resolutions without lowering the refresh rate. This means that one can enable 120Hz refresh rate at QHD Plus resolution and enjoy crystal clear video output with smooth frame transition. Apart from this, Oppo Find X2 will have support for ultra-fast wireless charging with a power of 50 watts, which is very impressive. Oppo Find X2 will also receive a new 7nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with an X55 5G modem, so it will have 5G support. Oppo has already showcased its 65W SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charge technology. It remains to be seen whether the Find X2 comes with faster or an improved version of 65W SuperVOOC 2.0. The Oppo Find X2 could have a portless design and an in-screen camera. Oppo Find X2 will have a camera module developed jointly with Sony. It will have an enlarged sensor size for better photosensitivity as well as all-pixel omnidirectional PDAF technology. Oppo Find X2 is due to debut in the first quarter of 2020. The flagship will compete with other top-end devices on the market. Currently, it's all that we know about the Oppo Find X2. But in the upcoming days, we will definitely get more information about this Oppo Find X2. So stay tuned for that. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.